Horses out, the Flamenco Mees pass to begin, moving a party outside, Shining Pain, Bread of Love on the outside, Platinum Garden, Manhattan out of sight, for your eyes only, expecting Kaitlyn in command and flying, Georgie is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, Bread of Love takes the lead by a length, Platinum Garden now in second, 2 lengths away in third, Shining Fame, moving up is Flamenco Miss down on the inside, and followed by Manhattan, out of sight, and comes For Your Eyes Only in command, second last flying Georgie, and expecting Kaitlyn, and it's still Bread of Love by Aralenka. Platinum Garden still in second. Shining Fame now coming closer in third. Manhattan now racing in fourth. Flamenco Miss then followed by number 7. Out of sight, Flying Georgie in command. Expecting Kaitlyn and For Your Eyes Only. And it's still Bread of Love by Aralenka. Shining Fame is on the outside, pressing a pass. They come down to the last 200. Bread of Love, Shining Fame, fighting it out for the lead. Manhattan is on the outside third. It's now Shining Fame, Bread of Love, Manhattan on the outside. It's now Shining Fame by about 2 lengths over Bread of Love, Manhattan, and finally Shining Fame second. Close between Bread of Love, Manhattan, then comes Flying Georgie in command, expecting Kaitlyn for your Super 6.